I'm Christian Ebon, and I'm a storekeeper provision, and I'm from Philippines. I'm here since 2012. I'm responsible for all the items here, for inventory, for checking and receiving of the items. This store is about 4 degrees Celsius. The working time is supposed to be 11 hours to 12 hours. That's good. First, it's challenging. It's hard because we have plenty items, plenty to do. But if you work day by day, then you will cope up things. Then, as long as you love your work, then it will be easy for you. Come on, be a part of the AIDA. You're working, you're earning money, and at the same time, you're traveling in the world for free.